Just got an update. It's going to be first floor, main lobby as well.
I'm making entry on the front side. I got a civilian that's putting me in here.
Kids are all locked down, but we have 2 kids that we don't know where they are.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Into my window, they're upstairs.
Hey. Give me 3. Let's get 3.
All the way down this hall, listen, it's Fellowship Hall. The end of this hall is Fellowship Hall. They just said they heard gunshots down there, and then upstairs are a bunch of kids.
Let's go. I need 3.
One more!
Let's go. Metro Police!
Open door! On me! We don't know where he is! Metro Police! Open door! Bathroom, small bathroom. Clear.
Next. Let's go. Door. With me.
Hold the door.
Next.
Like this.
Open it. I got it.
Bathroom.
Let's go.
Come out. Door right now. Let's go.
Just move right. Cover left. Take this with me. Take this. No, that's locked. Take this door. Take this door. Take it. I think it's upstairs. It sounds like it's upstairs.
Go. Push the LPV up. Reloading. Clear. Move. Watch out. Stop moving! Get your hand away from the gun! Get your hand away from the gun! Secondaries provide security! Hey, hold the air.
Go.
They go second floor.
I don't have a radio closet. Give me up.
No, locked door. Where did they go in? First floor. Hold there, y'all. Somebody hold there. Hit that door. Rifle first. Blue, go. Go. Move. I'm with you. Go left. Straight. Right here. It's locked. Go. Hit that stair. Hit the stairs. Go. Those stairs. Go.
Go.
Go.